Hi friends, I am Tyagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session we are going to see how to opt for return aggregate turnover is if it is less than 1.5 crore. Before start session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. First we are going to see how to enable return filing frequency whether monthly or quarterly GSTR 1 and 3B. Next we are going to see new updates about QRNP scheme, means quarterly return monthly payment scheme. Now let's see directly in GST portal. Once you open the GST portal, click on that login, enter your username and password, type there a displayed captcha, click on login. After loading that dashboard page, in the top menu you need to select service option. Once click on service menu, it will show you the list of options. There you need to click on return. Under return you can able to see there is an option called opt for quarterly return. Once click on that, it will load next page. In the next page we need to select the financial year, which financial year we are going to select that option. The financial year 2021, we are going to select for the last quarter return filing option. By default it will show you quarterly. If you want to change it to monthly, you can click on monthly. You can see it is Jan, Feb, March. We have selected monthly. If you want to file the return monthly, click on save. This selection option available from 5th December to 31st Jan. Applicable due date for GST 1 and 3B for last quarter. 11th of Feb for January month return. 11th of March for February month return. 11th of April for March month return. Similarly, GST 3B 22nd of February January month return filing. 22nd of March February month. 22nd of April so March month. In case if you are opt for quarterly return frequency, the due date will be changed. It will be quarterly once you need to file it, GST 1 and 3B. Here due date will be changes state to state. Now let's see QRMP scheme, means quarterly return monthly payment. Let's see who can opt for this quarterly return monthly payment scheme. Any registered person whose business turnover is aggregate turnover is up to 5 crore, they can opt for quarterly return monthly tax payment option. QRMP scheme is effective from 1st Jan 2021 onwards. Under this scheme, the registered person can avail the facility of invoice furnishing facility so that outward supply to the registered person is reflected in their form GSTR 2A and 2B. Now let's see how to make a monthly payment. In this QRMP scheme, if you want to make a monthly payment by using the payment challenge form GST PMT 06, due date is 25th of succeeding first 2 months. GST payment can be calculated by using two methods. The first method is fixed sum method. If you are filed last return in quarterly, those cases you need to pay 35% of tax filed in previous quarter. In case last return file was monthly, you need to pay 100% tax amount of that previous month. Fixed sum method is not a mandatory. You can go for self-assessment method. So as per your business transaction, if it is tax liability is there, then you can able to make a payment by using that form GST PMT 06 form after adjusting eligible input tax credit. In upcoming session we will see QRM scheme practically. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.